Mūthenya wa keeri wa igooti itūgīru gūthikīrīria cira wa BBI, mawakiri a President Uhuru Kenyatta matongoretio ni Waweru Gatonye mathiete na mbere na gutetera President ta mundu mugitire ni katiba kumana na thitango ciothe iria cingiumana na kwaga kuruta wira uria hetwo ni katiba.
In the course of doing this, he gets a lot of information that is useful to the state. One would wish that it will never come to a point where a court would order the president to make a disclosure.
So what Article 129 to 132 provides is for the president to govern. Legislating is not provided for under those articles.
No itua ria igoti ria gucokia cira riko rigie kana president ni anyitire itemi mutaratara-ini wa gucenjia watho kugerera mendekithia ma BBI ni rirehete utiganu wa mawoni mawakiri makigeria gutariria haria mutaratara wa gucenjia watho wambiriirie niguo kweherania president na mubango uyu.
And the words that are used in those gazette notices asked both the task force and the steering committee to look into administrative, policy, statutory and constitutional measures that may be taken in order to secure national unity.
The people can delegate sovereign powers to those they elect, including the president. But the ones they donate the power to have no business initiating changes through a popular initiative. These are inconsistent in my humble view.
Mawakiri age matongoretio ni Nelson Havi aria marenda itua ria igoti ria gucokia cira riko ritikagarurwo maugite acirithania igoti riu ni maiguithaniirie na koguo makenda igoti riri ritikanirie na matua maria matuirwo magoti-ini meri ma thi.
There is no basis upon which this court can protect certain actions that we haven't been told about. I urge you dismiss the appeals.
Utiganu wa mawoni utumete acirithania igoti itūgīru matongoretio ni mucirithania munene Martha Koome mende gutaukwo ni mamwe ma maundu maria mawakiri aria matamanitie cira wao maririirie ta hinya wa muingi katiba-ini itemi ria president mutaratara-ini wa gucenjia watho gatagati ka mangi.
You talked a lot about the promoters of the amendments and how it should be an ordinary Kenyan who can go and look for the 1 million signatures and start the process. Would, in your opinion, these promoters be restricted in eliciting support from politicians, from the president, from any other Kenyan?
What is the basis of this argument? Because then you would have to tell us what is a popular initiative, what makes an initiative popular within the context of this provision.
If you do not get the 1 million signature, you have not popularized your idea. It is not popular. It only becomes popular when you have collected the signatures of 1 million registered voters.
Mūthenya wa Aramithi niguo wa muthia wa thiku ithatu cia cikaro ici.
We'll begin tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.